Welcome. If you want to make the first setup of your HomePod connected to the iPhone, at the first let's tap on this button. Right now let's take a room when we are going to use the HomePod. I will select maybe gaming room. So click continue if you select it. Right now we are able to use 3 months free the Apple Music, but I'm going to skip this way. I don't want to use it, so not now. And as you can see, HomePod can recognize our voice, so of course we are going to use this feature. Click here and then tap to use personal requests. Click to use this iPhone and tap to continue. Let's accept this stuff. Click to transfer the settings. And what we have to do right now, we have to center the HomePod into the frame of our camera. So let's make it. And right now it is setting up. Now we have to wait a little bit.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod.
And as you can see,
you can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
And right now we are going to configure Siri. So let's say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?" Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
There's nothing in your music library.
Okay, let's click down. Tap dismiss. And as you can see, that's how the first setup of the HomePod looks. And we can also click and hold this icon to reach more settings right here, and others are going to be added soon. It's going to being configured, so we have to wait. But that's actually how looked the first setup of the HomePod and the HomePod connected to the iPhone 10. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!